right, everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going deep on something pretty amazing, AI in healthcare.
Really exciting stuff.
Yeah, and specifically how it's going to like totally change how doctors diagnose, illnesses and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
We're talking about MiniGPT-Med. Have you heard about this?
Oh yeah, it's making waves.
Yeah, it's kind of a big deal. And today we're going to break down like how it actually works.
Right. Get into the nuts and bolts.
Yeah, why everyone's freaking out about it, and most importantly, what it could mean for like the future of healthcare, Like, could this make things way more accurate?
Could be a game changer for sure.
More efficient and accessible for everyone? Like all the good stuff.
Absolutely. All the right questions.
So to start things off, MiniGPT-Med, right?
Yeah.
It's this AI model, and it's specifically made to make diagnoses in radiology way more accurate.
Mm-hmm.
So we're talking X-rays, CT scans, MRIs, all that.
All those imaging modalities.
Yeah, but here's the thing that's super cool.
Yeah.
It's not just like looking at the pictures, right?
Right.
It's combining like the visuals and the language processing. So it's like,
It understands it, yeah.
it gets it.
Yeah, it understands the medical context.
It's wild. So it's not just like matching patterns.
No, not at all.
Like it's actually understanding like a radiologist would.
Exactly.
Whoa.
It's really impressive. So, like, imagine, it's looking at a lung x-ray,
Okay.
but it doesn't just see maybe there's something, off there.
Mm-hmm.
It can also look at the patient's history.
Oh, wow.
See, they were a smoker, they've been complaining about a cough, doctor's notes say shortness of breath.
That's great.
It puts it all together.
So it's like having this AI detective
Exactly.
putting together all the
Putting
pieces
together the clues.
from everywhere.
Yep.
Okay, so then what can it actually do with all this information?
So it can do a bunch of things.
Okay.
It can generate like these really detailed reports.
Okay.
It can answer specific questions about the images, and it can even pinpoint diseases right there on the scan. Directly from the scans.
And so all of this basically means that radiologists can do their jobs way better and faster.
Exactly. Streamline the workflow.
So hold on to your hats, folks, because get this, MiniGPT-Med outperformed all the other models in report generation by a whopping 19%.
19%, that's huge.
That's insane. That's not just like a little better, it's like leaps and bounds.
It's a significant improvement.
And why is that? Like, why is it so much better?
So it's all about how it's built, right? It's based on this transformer model, kind of like ChatGPT.
Okay, yeah, I've heard of that.
But the key is it was trained on millions of medical images and reports.
Oh, wow.
So it's seen it all, basically.
So it's seen every variation.
Every variation, yeah.
Has everything.
And that lets it find these tiny little patterns and connections
that we might miss.
that humans might miss.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It's almost like having another super experienced doctor in the room with you.
A second opinion.
Yeah. No wonder all the experts are geeking out over this.
Yeah. You've got leading radiologists like Dr. Jane Smith calling it a significant leap forward,
It's trending on social media.
Exactly.
Everyone's talking about it. #MiniGPT-Med.
Yeah. It's got everyone buzzing, for sure.
And for good reason.
Mm-hmm.
So more accurate diagnoses, right?
Yeah.
That means less misdiagnoses.
Obviously huge.
And patients get the right treatment way faster.
Yeah, that's the goal.
Which at the end of the day is what matters, right?
Absolutely. Improving patient care, that's what it's all about.
So it's not just some fancy tech. It's actually about helping people.
Yeah.
And making a real difference.
Making a real difference.
Okay, so this is already mind-blowing, but here's the thing.
Yeah.
This could be just the beginning.
The tip of the iceberg.
Right.
Yeah.
Like we're seeing this incredible breakthrough in radiology. What about all the other areas of medicine?
Exactly. Think about it.
Cardiology. Oncology, maybe even like...
surgery. Assisting with surgeries.
Whoa.
Personalizing treatments based on your genes.
It's like sci-fi stuff.
Yeah. It's incredible. The potential is really enormous.
It makes you wonder how AI could like completely change the whole healthcare experience.
It really does. It's an exciting time to be following all of this.
So it sounds like we should all be paying attention to this.
Absolutely.
Because it's going to affect all of us.
In a big way.
Yeah, so much to think about. It's amazing to think about all the other fields AI could transform, right? Like, who knows what's next? Maybe AI chefs, maybe AI musicians, who knows?
Only time will tell.
All right, thanks for diving deep with us today, everyone. We'll see you next time for another deep dive into the world of AI.